For International Women's Day 2025, the Rohingya Cultural Memory Centre, RCMC, organised a special art campaign, bringing together 9 Rohingya beneficiaries to express their stories, emotions and dreams on canvas.
As acrylic painting is a very new media to the participants, the Rohingya beneficiaries, so I have taken a 45-minute session about how to use that paint, both the materials and the basic techniques of acrylic painting. So that sessions helps them to transform the black canvases into meaningful creations.
My father did not call Falangatashi, Adgara Falsha, Tarparan, Akivala, Radio, Akiva, Baram Arkan, Zerimakal, Adgara, Gorakala, Shilling, Bekin, Adgoji, or my local and Lakaladula, Goragorashan, Maya, Adgoji, Arescolata, and Lagori, Forashanagori, I Rangaratin Nagori, I Japurangaratin Gori, Baralai.
Through vibrant colours and powerful strokes, they celebrated resilience, identity and hope, amplifying Rohingya women's voices and preserving their cultural expressions.